Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
If the government wants money, wants revenue, there are other avenues to raise money through progressive taxes. Instead of resorting to progressive taxation, this government is resorting to regressive taxation. We condemn it in the strongest terms. In order to show our protest to this extraordinary Diwali gift which the Modi government has given to the people of India, the Goa Pradesh Congress Committee will organize a major demonstration on the 3rd of November in Mapusa. Diwali is the occasion where you burn the effigy of Narakasura. We will burn symbolically the spectre of price rise Asura. In Konkani it is called Mangaisura. Consecutive month in which RBI has asked the government specifically reduce pump prices of fuel by cutting taxes. No central bank can be more blunt. It has bluntly told the government, you must reduce pump prices by cutting taxes.
आदलो राज्यपाल सत्यपाल मलिकान सावंत सरकाराचेर केल्ल्या भ्रष्टाचाराच्या आरोपाचेर मोदी सरकार वग्गी कित्याक काय म्हूण प्रश्न.
The person or persons against whom the allegation of corruption was made should go to court. Or the Modi government should drop the governor. The fact that nobody has gone to court and the fact that Mr. Satyapal Malik continues to be the governor of a state only means that the Modi government and the BJP and the Goa government are frightened out of their wits. They dare not take any action against the governor. It means that they accept what the governor said is correct.
गोयाक आयाराम गयाराम नाव मेळा बीजेपी सरकाराक लागूनच हे सरकार खंय डिफेक्टरांचे.
What some other state sometime used to be, Ayaram Gayaram state, Goa has earned that name as a state of defections. And the BJP is solely responsible for earning that name for Goa. And this chief minister in his statement yesterday seems to be encouraging defections.
प्रुडंटा खातीर महेश घाडी आणि शिरीष कुंकळकार